Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Let's begin. As you settle into this moment, you become aware of the space around you, the support beneath you, and the simple, profound act of breathing. Each breath is a wave of life, flowing in and out effortlessly. You are already whole. You are already complete. And now you are ready to awaken the deepest resources within you. Let's inhale deeply, filling your lungs with air that carries the energy of renewal. As you exhale, let go of any tension, any holding, any story that no longer serves you. Your body is wise. Your body knows. Your body is a vessel of perfect health, and it is listening to every word you speak, every thought you think, every intention you hold. Now, bring your awareness to the center of your chest. Feel the gentle rhythm of your heartbeat, steady and strong, a drumbeat of vitality. This is the anchor of your being. This is the pulse of life itself. And as you rest here, you begin to access a state of radiant health and vibrant. Let that memory come fully alive. See the colors around you. Hear the sounds that were present. Feel the air on your skin. Most importantly, feel the sensation of perfect health in your body. That warmth, that lightness, that sense of unlimited energy of just weave body, let it expand. Let it fill every part of you. Now, as you continue to hold this state, place your hand gently on your heart. This touch is an anchor, a signal to your subconscious that this feeling of vitality is available to you at any moment. Every time you touch your heart, you can return to this state of perfect health and energy safely. Of just weevil. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, let the sensation of health flow through your bloodstream, through your organs, through every cell. Your body is a miracle of self-regulation, constantly renewing, constantly healing. And now, you are consciously guiding that process with your intention. And now, I invite you to go deeper. Imagine a golden light at the base of your spine. It is warm, gentle, and full of life. With each breath, this light grows brighter, rising up through your body. It moves through your legs, your hips, your abdomen, bringing warmth and vitality to every organ. It flows into your chest, your heart, your lungs, infusing them with radiant energy. Up through your throat, your jaw, your face, your mind, clearing, cleansing, awakening. This is your inner light of health, and it is always there, always available, and now it is shining brightly, illuminating every part of you. Explode sight, and now it is shining brightly, illuminating every part of you. And now, inhale deeply, and as you exhale, feel the light expand beyond your body, creating a field of vitality around you. You are a beacon of wellness. Your presence radiates health, and the world around you responds to this frequency. Now, let's anchor this state even more deeply. With your hand still on your heart, bring to mind an affirmation that resonates with your deepest desire for health. For example, my body is a temple of perfect health, or I am filled with boundless energy, or every cell in my body vibrates with vitality. Choose one that feels true and powerful for you. Now, repeat it silently, slowly, 3 times. It is a sense of calm alertness. This is the state of health, anchoring itself in your neurology. Now, let's expand this state further. Imagine that with every breath, you are breathing in pure, vital energy. This energy is intelligent. It knows exactly where to go in your body to bring balance and healing. Flows to end. Your body is a self-healing organism. It knows how to repair, how to regenerate, how to thrive. And now, you are aligning your conscious mind with this innate wisdom. Shapsta steeps it might more DC you in that innate filling every way. My energy is limitless. Now I am healthy in every way. My energy is limitless. Let these words become your truth, your reality, your experience. Now, I want you to imagine a future version of yourself, one who is radiant with health, full of vitality, moving through life with ease and joy. See this version of you clearly. Notice the posture, the smile, the glow in their eyes. Feel the energy they carry. Light, strong, unstoppable. This is not a distant possibility. This is you now, unfolding into your fullest expression. His full gesture. You inhale deeply, and as you exhale, step into that future version of yourself. Feel their health in your body. Feel their apace in your breath. Feel their confidence in your heart. This is your true nature, and it is already here. And as you rest in this state, you might notice how easily your body responds. A sense of well-being spreading like a gentle wave. A feeling of gratitude for. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, let the golden light of health radiate from your heart, filling the room, filling your life. You are a source of vitality. You are a magnet for wellness. You are whole, healthy, and vibrant. Now, I want you to imagine that every cell in your body is singing a song of health. Can you hear it? A hum, a vibration, a frequency of perfect balance. Your cells are communicating with each other, coordinating, harmonizing. They are working together to create a symphony of well-being. And you are the conductor of this symphony. With your thoughts, your intentions, your affirmations, you guide the music. You choose the notes of health, energy, and vitality. And your body responds, playing the melody of your deepest truth. Repeat after me. I am the source of my own health. I create vitality with every breath. My body is a reflection of my inner harmony. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, let go of any remaining doubt or resistance. You are worthy of perfect health. You are capable of boundless energy. You are designed to thrive. And as you continue to breathe, let the golden light within you expand once more. It reaches your toes, your fingers, the crown of your head. Every part of you is illuminated, alive, and vibrant. This is your birthright. This is your truth. This is your reality. Now, I want you to set an intention for the days ahead. An intention to notice the signs of health and vitality in your life. Perhaps it's the energy you feel when you wake up in the morning, the clarity in your mind, the strength in your body, the peace in your heart. Every moment is an opportunity to recognize the health that is already here. Repeat after me. I am open to receiving health in every form. I embrace vitality as my natural state. I am grateful for my body's wisdom. Let these words settle into your subconscious like seeds planted in fertile soil. They will grow, bloom, and bear fruit in your life. And as you exhale, feel a wave of gratitude wash over you. Gratitude for this moment, for this practice, for the transformation that is already underway. In the days ahead, you'll notice this transformation unfolding naturally within you. Perhaps it's a moment of clarity, a surge of inner strength, or simply a deeper peace you hadn't felt before. These words have planted seeds deep in your subconscious, and they will grow effortlessly in their own time. Each time you return to this practice, they grow stronger. Your transformation continues even now, beyond this meditation, woven into the fabric of your being. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this wisdom with you into your day until we meet again in stillness.